Hello guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to give you a quick tip on how to remove your Discord keyboard noise in the background. So let's get started. What you want to do is you want to go to user settings and you want to go down to your voice and video. Now when you're right here, you want to go down, and what you want to do is you probably want to turn this off. Now, when you have turned this off, you have this slider. Now, I'm going to shut up and I'm going to quickly type something randomly on my keyboard, and let's see where this bar goes when I click my keyboard. As you can see, it goes right around to, let's say, here. Let's see. Alright, a little higher. Alright, so now I have successfully removed my keyboard being loud in the background. So yeah guys, that's how you can fix it. You can also check right here if you can hear your keyboard. Basically what this does is under this bar, everything under this bar you cannot hear, well, your friends cannot hear, and everything above this bar, for example my voice right now can be heard. Now I'm going to turn this on because none of my friends complain for my keyboard. And yeah guys, I hope this video helped you. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.